Trelleborg Engineered Products is a leading provider of vibration isolation bearing. These vibrations originate primarily from trains. Information received from acoustic consultants and structural engineers enables Trelleborg to design and deliver vibration isolation strategies across the globe. Effective isolation requires a bespoke solution for each building. Each bearing will be engineered to suit the load specified at different locations in the building. With the precise requirements and solution known, we can finalize costs and program timings and start production. Our rubber compounds are thoroughly engineered and tested to ensure the bearings exceed the building's design life. Each bearing is inspected and rigorously tested for its load versus deflection characteristics to ensure the end product quality. The unique serial number on the bearing links to all production and test data and the precise location of each bearing. We provide method statements to assist the bearing installation, and we will attend the site to give guidance and carry out inspection. This complete end-to-end service from planning, design, manufacturing, testing and installation is what makes our solutions so effective. To find out how Trelleborg Engineered Solutions can add to your building project with a complete and cost-effective noise vibration isolation strategy, get in touch today.